Okay, students, after the meaning of unemployment, we have taken a new question. It should be asked in a 5 marks, most timely question. Types of unemployment. Types of unemployment. Uh, Before starting main types of unemployments, we are getting any one important point. One important point. According to Shri Raj Krishna Committee report in 2011 and 2012, 2011-12, according to Shri Raj Krishna Committee, has given four measures, four types of measure to measure unemployment or a proportion of unemployment. First one is time. First one is time. A person who is not getting at least 28 hours, at least 28 hours of work in a whole week, पूरे हफ्ते में 28 घंटे से भी कम काम मिल रहा है और बिटवीन 28 आवर्स बट लेस देन 42 आवर्स, 28 आवर्स मिल रहा है बट लेस देन 42 आवर्स. ओके, इट इज कॉल्ड अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट. ओके, अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट अकॉर्डिंग टू टाइम. From the whole week, at least 28 hours. Okay, he or she getting 28 hours, at least 28 hours, but less than 42 hours from the whole week. Okay, both types it is called unemployed. Second is income wise. For example, he or she is getting a particular income, okay, but it is not enough to fulfill his basic need. It is called income wise unemployed. Okay, third one is willingness. He is ready to work any of the work which he can get from the market. He is ready to work, but he can't get any work. It is called unemployed or unwilling unemployed, compulsory unemployment. And a subtype is willingness. In willingness, there is a subtitle that he or she compulsory have to do lesser than his qualification, lesser work than his or her qualification. For example, a person who has done a CA, chartered accountant, who has become a chartered accountant, who has passed the final CA, but he has or she has to work as a clerk, as an assistant. It is also on unemployment of according to willingness. Fourth is productivity. He or she has a more productivity than he get the work. For example, he or she get the work to complete the 20 units, to make a 20 units for the whole day. पूरे दिन में 20 units बनाने का काम मिला है, but he or she has the ability to complete the 40 or 50 units from the whole day. Means it is got unemployed according to productivity, or he or she get the lesser work than he or her or his कैपेसिटी, उनकी कैपेसिटी से डाउन काम मिला. ओके, विथ हेल्प ऑफ अबव मेजरमेंट द मेन टाइप्स ऑफ अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट आर एज अंडर. ओके, ये मेजरमेंट के थ्रू, विद द यूजेस ऑफ दिस मेजरमेंट यू कैन क्लासिफाई द मेन फोर टाइप्स ऑफ अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट. ओके, सो इफ द क्वेश्चन शुड बी आस्क्ड विद द नेम ऑफ श्री राज कृष्ण कमिटी, what types are given by the Raj Krishna Committee? Same question, and explain the types of unemployment. So you have to mention in this question, explain the types of unemployment a Raj Krishna Committee, and measurement of also given by Raj Krishna Committee. Okay, first main type, open unemployment. Open unemployment means any kind of unemployment, any kind of income wise, time wise, or full day. he or she not getting any work for 1 hour, half an hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, not a single work he or she are getting. It's called open unemployment. Since so many years, since so many months, since so many days. Okay, and he or she does not knows when they get work. कब उनको काम मिलेगा उनको खुद को ही पता नहीं. Okay, example, registered in a employment exchange. If you pass 10th standard, if you pass 12th standard, if you pass graduation, if you pass post graduation, you have to register your name with your result and mark sheet and degree certificate. Okay, in an employment exchange, especially for the government job. Employment exchange, we can know the open unemployment statistical data. We can get a statistical data of open unemployed people from employment exchange also. Second one is national sample survey, or a sample survey which is done by a government or a Indian government, centralized. Okay, and third one is census of India, जिसको हम बोलते हैं जनगणना, population. Okay, so these are the three things that all the three things provide a statistical data of open unemployment. Okay, second one is under unemployment. Okay, under unemployment is considering two types of under unemployment: willingness and time wise. Willingness and time wise. If a person is getting less than 28 hours or less than 6 hours per day, it's called under unemployment. Or less than 28 hours whole week is also time wise under employment. Willingness, if he passed the manager or MBA or MCA, but he is getting a peon or a clerk's job. Okay, it is called willingness. So both time and willingness is considered in a under unemployment. उसके लेवल से भी उसको कम काम मिलता है एज अकॉर्डिंग टू क्वालिफिकेशन, और टाइम वाइज भी उसको कम काम मिलता है. ओके, डिस्कस अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट, और विच वी कॉल हिडन अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट, टाइप नंबर 3. ओके, at the first sight, the people who are working, and we call that all the people are having particular work, but some of those are hidden or discuss unemployment. Means, for example, we are taking agriculture or farming. In a particular farm, 10 laborers are working. You have added 5 more. Now 15 laborers are working. But you have added which 5 one, or which 5 one you have added, it doesn't work. Means 10 laborers are working and 15 laborers are working, but the work is getting same, or output is getting same, work done is getting same. आप 10 लेबर से काम कराओ या 15 लेबर से काम कराओ, ओके, ऑल ओवर कंट्रीब्यूशन इज सेम. मीन्स उन पांचों को आपने ज्यादा रखा है, उन पांचों को आपको काम पे रखो या ना रखो कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता, इट डजंट मैटर. मीन्स there are 5 people's productivity is zero. Understand? It's called discuss or hidden unemployment. Number 4, cyclical unemployment. Cycle wise. Normally these types of unemployment is seen in the industrial sector. Okay, which sector is called normally teji or mandi, boom and recession, situation. Okay, then a particular season wise. It's called cyclical unemployment. Okay. And last one is frictional unemployment. Frictional normally happens with the sector of technical work or a technological work. Okay, it's called friction unemployment, or a technology will get changed, okay, or updated. Therefore, this type of unemployment can happen in India particularly. For example, in a year 2000, a computer has appeared. Computer has appeared in India, but the people who are not knowing computer, how to work on computer, they got unemployed. जिनको कंप्यूटर नहीं आता था, उनके साथ उन सबका काम चला गया, जॉब्स चली गई, नौकरी चली गई. Okay, this is called frictional unemployment. Another example, keypad phone, mobile keypad phone, and nowadays smartphone. Okay, both are going in the market. अगर जिनको कीपैड फोन बनाना आता था, जो वर्कर्स को, जो टेक्नीशियन को, और उनको स्मार्टफोन बनाना नहीं आता, तो अभी स्मार्टफोन की ज़्यादा डिमांड है मार्केट में, तो कीपैड फोन बनाने वाले वर्कर्स को काम नहीं मिल रहा है. दे गॉट अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट, और दे हैव टू सर्च अ न्यू जॉब, in search of new job. Okay, so these are the main five types which are given by Raj Krishna committee according to 4 types of measurement, which you have to explain. You have to explain first meaning, then example, each and every type. First meaning, then example, meaning, then example. Okay, all the 5 types you have to explain in the same way. Meaning, example, meaning, example. Okay, these are the types of unemployment with the meaning or definition of unemployment. पहले definition और meaning लिखना है, फिर types of unemployment explain करना है. Okay, if you have some data, nearest data, not all over zero or wrong, or not all over right, nearest data, statistical data about unemployment, you can write in any types of unemployment, Okay, so listen carefully, write down the points from the board in a fair notebook after the unit number 5, poverty. Okay, and try to understand and learn carefully, because you have to explain this in an exam. Okay, in our next lecture we will discuss about the programs or steps taken by government to reduce unemployment. Okay, that we will discuss in our next lecture. Okay, thank you.